Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel DESI ASTRO, and in this Python tutorial I am going to show how to code to plot uh, some area between your plot or line. So suppose that you want to fill the area under the curve under the x-axis or either y-axis, you can fill between a certain area. So let's do it. Okay, so first we will import some libraries. So import library. So import numpy as np and import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So numpy will take care of your array and Matplotlib will take care of your plotting. Now give x and y data. So x I am giving at np dot say linear space 1 to 10 and 20 data points. So we got x. Now y I am giving y equal to x. Okay, so now plot line. So plt dot plot x comma y and then plt dot show. So this will show your plot. Now if you run this, you can see that there's your line plot. You can give some line width, say 10, you can give it, and I give it the color, say red. Okay, so and now suppose I want to fill the area between this on the x-axis. So for that, plot or fill area under x-axis. So for that, type command plt dot fill underscore and between. Now just give x comma y and see what is happening. See, your area has been shaded under the x-axis. Now what you can change, you can also give color if you want, say color and give it black. Okay, so this way you can do. You can also change alpha. So alpha varies from 0 to 1, so 0.5, so it will like change its intensity. So you can change the intensity of this your curve. And now what else you can do, you can also like put where command. So where equal to and give some range. Suppose that I want to fill from 4 to 6. So where x less than 4 or maybe 8 and x greater than 2. Now run it. See, your shaded area has been changed. So this way you can customize your filling between the axis. So now same thing you can do for your y-axis. You can do, or maybe you can also like plot between the lines. So for that, like let's plot another plot, and so plt dot maybe you can So you have take your x here, take your x here. Now give y, and y equal to, just give say x square. Now y1 equal to x square plus 30, and y2 equal to x square minus say 30. Now plot it. plt dot plot x comma y, and then plt dot show. And now suppose you want to fill some area above and below your this x equal to y square line. Now just take it 5. So for that, type command plt dot fill, and between give your x, and then your give y1 and this red line has been filled. So this way, one thing you can do, I mean, this is your area under the x-axis. This is above and below your curve. And now same thing you can do, how to fill your plot between a line, or above or below the line on either x-axis or y-axis. You can also give some title if you want. plt dot title, give it say fill plot, and give x-axis x label, say x data, and similarly plt dot y label, give y data. So this way you can do here, and also you can give label if you want. So just give label and say fill, and here give label equal to say line, and type command plt dot legend, so it will show okay. So you can see that here your red is your line plot and your black, so maybe you can give little bigger, little higher, so your black is filling. So this way you can do the plotting. So I hope you got the idea.